Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? Okay, now I'm here to introduce new topic to all of you. Now get ready for the next topics. Kids, can you tell me if I'm taking two pencils, okay? Two pencils for writing, and your sister she she's giving me one more pencil. Fine? So I have already two pencils and she is giving me one more. Then how many pencils I will have altogether? Any guesses? What shall we do for this to count it together? Anybody tell? We have to get them all together and we have to count them. I know you can count very well all the things. I hope you have tried at home counting, drilling the numbers and recognize the all the numbers. I hope you are writing in the notebooks also. Fine. Now kids, if you have two friends, if suppose you are having two friends and one new friend is coming to meet you, so all together tell me how many friends will be there. Yes, you have to count, dear. You should count how many friends are coming and how many friends you are making together all together. So for this we have to add. Fine. So today's new concept is addition. Today's concept is addition. New topic is addition. We have to add the object all together. So just take another one more example. If in the garden so many butterflies are flying in the garden, right? So we have to count the butterflies all together. So just imagine you are in the garden and two butterflies are flying, two more butterflies are flying and they are coming together. So how many butterflies would be there? Yes, for that you have to count. For that you have to count, dear. So, see, two are flying, two more are flying. They are coming together and playing with each other, right? Playing together. So, one, two, and two more. So, one, two, three, four. So, all together, four butterflies are there, right? Now let's count pencils. Let's count pencils. Kids, you can count. You are having at home so many pencils. So let's count. I have how many pencils with me? See, first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, I have 8 pencils. Now kids, but today's concept is addition. We have to add objects. So for the addition, we are using which sign? See, ma'am is showing you. This is the addition sign. This sign is called addition. Trace in the air. 1, standing line and sleeping line. This is called addition. This is called addition. Repeat after ma'am. What it called? This sign is called addition sign. Wonderful. Great job. Very good. Now we will see how to count the object. See, I have shown you pencils right here. So if you are having two pencils, how many pencils you are having? 1 and 2. Now Prajapati ma'am is giving you 2 more pencils. See what will happen. See, here are 2 pencils. Already you are having 2 pencils. Ma'am is giving you 2 more pencils. So let's count them together. 2, adding 1, 3. One more. How many? How many? All together? 4. They are now 4. Now, see, you have counted 4 pencils, right? You can count 10, 20, up to 100 easily, right? So, you have to count. You must count. So, let's see now. I'm holding 4 pencils. Now, my friend is giving me one more pencil. So, 4. Adding one more. So here comes 5 pencils. So see, all together they are totally 5 pencils. It means 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Got it? So if you are having pebbles, you can search at home, you will get. So get the pebbles, like 3 pebbles, take, keep it on your palm and add 2 more pebbles in these pebbles, right? So already you are having 3. You are adding, you can take any number. Like I am adding, I already holding 3 pebbles. See, suppose these are pebbles and I am holding these 3 pebbles. But I want to add one more in that pebble. So I am adding. So you can count all together. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are totally 4 pebbles. Now next, see kids, you can get these stickers in your chips box, right? So I have brought some stickers for you. So let's count with this, with the help of these stickers. So get ready. See, now we will take big number, little bit big number. See, 1, 2, count with me. Hmm, hmm, and 5th. Right, very good. Your counting is very nice. Again counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fine. In 5 stickers, I am going to add some more stickers. How many stickers I am going to add? I will take 2 more. Fine. We'll take, I am holding already 5 stickers. So I am adding 1, 2 and 3. I am adding 3. Now I have all together. Let's see how many I have all together. I have all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. All together 8 means 5. I had 5 stickers already. I have added after that 3 more. So all together they became 8. All together 8. So group of 8 we have made. Fine. So this is the addition method. Now let's do with another example. Now kids, I'm having some bangles. Having some bangles. You can get from your mother. Okay, for the counting purpose. Now see, here I have some bangles. So let's count first how many I have already. See, 1, 2, 3, count after me, 4, very good, 5, 6, 7. See, 7 is a big number. So 7, I am having 7 bangles. Very good. Now I am going to add some more bangles in these bangles. This bunch of bangles. See, next. Now, next, I am going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one is 5. Now let's count all together. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12 bangles I am holding now. So you can add like this. So kids, we will have so many things